Next, we have the Horvins Urban Adventure electric bike, priced at $18,000. While it may seem expensive, it's high-end, fully electric road motorcycle with impressive specs like a max speed of 125 miles per hour, a range of 188 miles, and rapid acceleration of 2.8 seconds to 62 miles per hour. Along with a 16.2 kilowatt battery capacity and 840 Nm torque, it should appeal to discerning customers. Cheered Moto, targeting Soran X and Talaria bikes, is competitively priced at $3,200. It claims to outperform Soran in terms of speed, battery, and torque, but it shouldn't exceed Talaria MX-4's $4,500 price points.